Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the process of joining the Blox Fruits Discord server using your mobile device. The steps are simple and straightforward with one primary method to get it done. To start, ensure you have the Discord app installed on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, download and install it from your device's app store before proceeding. Once you've confirmed the app is ready to go, open any internet browser on your mobile device and head to a search engine of your choice. In the search bar, type Blox Fruits Server Discord and press Enter to initiate the search. The first result that appears should take you directly to the Discord app where you'll be prompted to join the server. Simply tap Accept Invite and you'll gain access to the server's community. In case you encounter an issue where the server is full and unable to accept new members, there's no need to worry. There's a great alternative for you to explore. Go back to your internet browser and check out the second Blox Fruits server that's listed below the main one. While this secondary server may not be as active as the primary server, it's still an excellent option with a thriving community. It has approximately 68,000 members, with around 5,000 online at any given time, ensuring you'll have plenty of opportunities to connect with others. Joining this secondary server is typically a smooth process and provides a reliable alternative if the primary server is unavailable. That concludes today's guide on joining the Blox Fruits Discord server using your mobile device. Thank you for watching.